Welcome back. So here's our nutrition science body types and BMI web quest. I told you this was coming following the notes. So all we're asking you to do today, check the directions, use the link below and your notes to answer the following questions. So let's just take a quick look at this and let me kind of go through it in case there's questions. So questions 1, 2, and 3 come from the notes, and I'm just asking you to list the 3 body types and give some characteristics, right? So, like mesomorph is one of them. So you would type mesomorph in there and then give some of the characteristics of a mesomorph, and then that would be followed by the other 2 body types. Now, going further into that, here are some questions about BMI that I wanted to get out to you guys because I felt these were really important. So some of these are simple, like what does BMI stand for? So this comes from this link right here. So let's just click into that article. And if you keep 2 windows open, you can kind of go back and forth, but just watch because like most of the articles that are out there, it's loaded with ads. So what you can do is you see here, italicized, I put the section of the article I got the questions from. So how useful is BMI? What does BMI stand for? Why or how is BMI used? And what is the aim or goal of using the BMI formula? So this is all under the how useful is BMI. So when we look through here, let's start in the middle of the page. So that was good so that you know everyone makes mistakes. So how useful is BMI? And you can see the article rolls through. There's some facts about BMI. And then the next section is the BMI formula. And when you flip back here, there you go, the BMI formula. And questions that you have there. What's the formula for BMI, which we have in our notes as well, and then using the BMI formula, calculate your BMI. Now, if you're uncomfortable with, typing out your BMI, but it's fine, but I would suggest at least do it for yourself to kind of see what it is. But if you're uncomfortable with putting your actual BMI in here, do young Arnold Schwarzenegger. At his first Mr. Olympia, he was 6'2" and 235 pounds at competition. He was actually, maybe 20 pounds or so heavier than that before competition, but that's what he cut his weight down to, to lose body fat and everything. So that's what we have there. Moving on, is it too simple? That's our next unit, and then muscle or fat, and you can see these each go by the headings. Then the last part I'm asking you to do here is a reflection, and that is what was something new that you learned on this topic, right? About BMI and body types. And if you didn't learn anything new, that's cool. What was something that was reinforced then? And just kind of talk about that. So that's all I got for today, guys. Enjoy, learn something new, be safe out there.